So what up, though, to the world star of hip hop, dog? I'm trying to see what my Xbox not working, but this junk making me mad. See, I was just about to play this bull crap, but I can't really say bull crap because it came out on September 17, like 2 days ago, man. Today's the 21st. Man, I can't just wait to play this junk. I want to play if I could get some missions, get some Ferraris. And I can record on my controller, dog. Wait for my cousin PJ, bro. He the best at fixing stuff. He a hacker too. Man, staircase boy, you can't stop playing with me. Ma, say hey. Say hey to Future. But I don't know why this ain't not working, bro. I got a whole bunch of other games. Boy, I got that new Injustice. Who's scared of it? His name's Jamal. His name's Jamal. His name's Jamal. He's scared of it. I'm gonna put that right there. I'm gonna put that on top. As soon as my cousin get over here. This is what I look like, guys. I don't want to show my face. Say hello, Kitty, y'all. Yeah, so peace out.